Ever found yourself on the side of the road, hood up, frustration evident, thanks to your Chevy 6.0 engine? Well, you're not alone. This engine, while celebrated for its power and durability, is not without its share of trouble. Today, we are diving into the 7 most common problems with the Chevy 6.0 engine. First on the list, we have the infamous oil consumption issue. This is a common problem where the engine burns through oil at an alarmingly fast rate. It's not just a nuisance. It can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly. The root of this issue usually lies in the active fuel management (AFM) system, which is designed to improve fuel efficiency but often ends up causing oil consumption problems. Secondly, we encounter the excessive noise problem. This is usually due to worn-out piston rings or cylinder walls. These components should provide a tight seal for the combustion process, but when they wear out, they allow air and fuel to escape, leading to a noisy engine. Our third issue is the coolant leaks. This issue can be quite deceptive as not all leaks are visible. Sometimes the coolant can leak into the engine oil, leading to a milky substance under the oil cap. If left unchecked, this can cause severe engine damage. Next up, we have the knocking sound. This is often an indication of a faulty knock sensor. This sensor is designed to detect engine knocking and adjust the ignition timing to prevent it. When it fails, it can lead to poor performance and fuel economy. Fifth on our list is the overheating issue. This can occur due to a failing water pump or a clogged radiator. Overheating can cause severe engine damage, so it's crucial to address this issue promptly. Moving on, the reduced power mode is our 6th issue. This is a safety feature that kicks in when the engine control unit, ECU, detects a problem that could potentially damage the engine. While it's good for preventing damage, it can be quite frustrating as it significantly reduces engine power. Finally, we have the check engine light issue. This is the most ambiguous problem as it can indicate a range of issues from minor to severe. The only way to know for sure is to get a diagnostic test. So to recap, the 7 most common problems with the Chevy 6.0 engine are oil consumption issues, excessive noise, coolant leaks, a knocking sound, overheating issues, reduced power mode, and the check engine light. Remember, these issues are common but not inevitable. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any problems can help keep your Chevy 6.0 engine running smoothly. After all, a